Pigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone. You have probably tried expensive creams, facials, or serums. But what if I told you the real cure is on your plate? Today, I will show you how to fade pigmentation naturally with foods and nutrition. Welcome back to World of Nutrition and Fitness, where it's all about real food, real strength, and real results. Pigmentation isn't just a skin problem, it's a sign of internal imbalance. It can be caused by hormonal changes like PCOD and thyroids, high sugar and insulin levels, inflammation and oxidative stress, and deficiency of skin healing nutrients. So, what to eat to heal pigmentation? First, vitamin C for brightening and repair. Vitamin C boosts collagen and reduces dark spots. Add amla, oranges, lemon water, and bell pepper to your diet. Second, vitamin E fights skin damages. It protects your skin from sun damage and speeds healing. Best sources: almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados. Third, zinc calms inflammation. Zinc fights acne, scar, and pigmentation. You get it from pumpkin seeds, eggs, and meats. Fourth, omega 3, skin's anti inflammatory hero. Omega 3 reduce inflammation and give you glowing skin. Fish like salmon and even flax seeds and walnuts help. Fifth, protein for skin repair. You cannot heal your skin if you don't eat enough protein. Eggs, chicken, paneer, and curd. Include them into your meals. And finally, bonus tip: your skin reflects your gut. Include fermented foods like buttermilk, rice kanji, and curd. And drink enough water always. And now, what you need to avoid. Refined sugar is major trigger for pigmentation. Junk food, fried oils, and trans fat. Skipping meals and crash diet gives you vitamin loss and dull skin. You don't need 5 creams, just real foods every day. Fix your food, your skin will follow. Want a meal plan to heal pigmentation? Comment skin below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to World of Nutrition and Fitness. Thanks for watching. See you guys in next video.